The eyes open and the brain wakes up instantly, releasing cortisol.
The heart starts beating faster, pumping fresh blood everywhere. First sip of water travels down the esophagus quickly. Breakfast bite enters the mouth, teeth begin chewing fast. Saliva enzymes start breaking down the food immediately. Food slides down into the stomach acid bath. Stomach muscles churn and mix everything with acid. Nutrients begin absorbing in the small intestine now. Glucose and fats rush into the bloodstream fast. Mitochondria turn nutrients into energy like power plants. Leg muscles contract powerfully with every walking step.
Brain neurons fire rapidly during focused work time.
Adrenaline surges when you feel sudden stress. Liver filters and cleans the blood continuously. Kidneys remove waste and balance body fluids. Your body reaches full energy peak at midday. Lunch food enters stomach for lighter digestion. Insulin helps store extra glucose as energy reserve. Oxygen keeps supplying energy to working muscles. Evening meal digestion happens more slowly now. Body temperature starts dropping slightly towards night. Melatonin hormone signals the brain to prepare sleep.
Heart rate slows down as night begins.
Repair mode activates while you start falling asleep. Brain enters light sleep with slow waves appearing. Deep sleep repairs muscles and boosts immunity.
Dreams create colorful scenes inside your mind.
All systems work quietly through the whole night.
Your body never stops working, even while sleeping.
Blood vessels connect every organ like highways. White blood cells patrol for any danger. Hormones travel everywhere, sending important messages. From wake up to sleep, the journey is amazing.
Every second, your body performs miracles silently.
The adventure inside your body never really ends.
Thank you for joining this full-day journey. Your body is truly incredible every single day.
Cells burn energy and produce heat constantly. Lungs work non-stop to bring fresh oxygen in. The journey of one single breath is fascinating. Food becomes fuel for your entire body.
Your immune system stays alert day and night.
Sleep brings deep healing to every part. From morning light to peaceful night. This is the magic happening inside you.
A full day inside your amazing human body.